হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আমি রশ্মি। দিস ইজ মাই 36th এপিসোড। আপনারা এর আগে 35টা এপিসোড দেখেছেন, ভালো লেগেছে, আপনারা বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করেছেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন। আই এম গ্রেটফুল টু দেম। আজকের এপিসোড দেখে ভালো লাগলে প্লিজ শেয়ার উইথ ইয়োর ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। ডেফিনেটলি প্রেস দ্য বেল আইকন টু গেট দ্য নেক্সট এপিসোড। লাস্ট এপিসোডে আমি অনেক কটন শাড়ি দেখিয়েছি। টুডে আই উইল স্টার্ট উইথ সিল্ক প্রিন্ট। লেটস স্টার্ট। My address 75 Hindustan Park, Kolkata 29, and my phone number is 9330866384. I'm starting with the printed silk. This is sari number 1. This is printed silk. Price is 3550 and the discounted price is 3400. This green portion is the aanchal. Fish motifs are there. This is the body. This is lower border. This is the body. This is aanchal. And this is the blouse piece. All silks are silk mark tagged. This is sari number 1. কাস্টমাররা প্রিন্টেড সিল্ক দেখতে চান আমার কাছে, সেই জন্য আমাকে আবার প্রিন্টেড সিল্ক দেখাতে হলো গরম থাকা সত্ত্বেও। আপনারা দেখুন, আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। দিস ইজ সারি নাম্বার 2, গ্রে কালার, ডায়াগোনালি আঁচল গেছে with the motifs. This is the base color, Rani color is the base color with the waves. Silk are silk mark tagged and the price is, discounted price is 3400. This is the blouse piece. Those who have taken the silks from me, they know the quality. তাদের repeat request এই আমি আবার silk দেখাচ্ছি। This is another one, sari number 3 with the gun spray. Leaf motifs are there. There are 3 shades of green. The half sari is with these block. Half sari is like this, and the rest half is parrot green with the border. And the blouse piece is also green. This is the half sari, and that portion is the blouse piece. Again, the price is 3400. This is sari number 4. This will come in the aanchal, royal blue with pink and yellow discharge. Half sari is like this. Half sari is pink with this discharge, and the rest half is royal blue with the border. This is the sari. Price is again 3400. This is another one. This is the blouse piece. This is the aanchal. This portion will come in the aanchal, and the half sari is like this. Black with Rani and yellow, and the rest half is like this. Rest half is like this, and blouse piece is again Rani color. Blouse piece is Rani color with the border. The price is 3400. This is another printed silk. This portion is aanchal. It will come in the aanchal. This is the half portion. Half portion will be like this, and the rest half is, this one is the rest half with the gun spray and discharge print, and the blouse is also with gun spray. This is the blouse. Price is again 3400. This is another printed silk from aanchal. The half portion will go like this way, green with blue print. And this is sari number 7, and the blouse piece is also blue, and the rest half is green with this border. This is sari number 7. The price is 3400. 7টা silk দেখালাম, আমি এবার একটু রেশম চেক দেখাচ্ছি due to summer. These all are very summer friendly sarees. This is pink color with black and white fish ari. These all are hand ari. The motifs are fish. This is sari number 8 and the price is 2400. The entire sari is with this fish motifs and the blouse piece the price is 2400. 2400. This is another resham check. This is resham check applique. It will come in the aanchal. This is sari number 9 and the price is 2450. It will come in the front portion and the pleats, in the pleats all these appliques will come. The pleats are with this applique. This is 2450 and blouse piece is also there. This is the blouse piece. Price is 2450. I'm showing you the same design. Sari number 10 is also with the same design, only with a different color. This is aanchal portion. This is front portion. The base color is white. It will come in the pleats, the applique portion, and the rest sari is with this applique. The color is white and the price is 2450. This is another resham check with Gujarati stitch. This is aanchal portion. Both side borders are there. This sari is with mirror. The entire sari is like this. I will give you a blouse piece with this sari. This is a printed blouse piece and the price is 2650. And the price of this sari is 2650. Sari number 11. Now I will show you ajrak on modal silk. These all are modal silk. See, this is the color. This is brown color, deep brown. Today I am also wearing a modal silk. My color is blue, powder blue. This one is deep brown. This portion is aanchal and this is the body. And the price is, discounted price is 4500. 4500 and this is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. This is another one, sari number 13. This portion will come in the aanchal. This will come in the body. This color is powder blue and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. আপনারা যদি শাড়ির নাম্বার মনে রাখতে না পারেন বা বুঝতে না পারেন, take a screenshot and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. This is another one, yellow. This portion will come in the aanchal, modal ajrak, and the price is 45. Discounted price is 4500. These are very soft and very friendly. This is the blouse piece. This will come in the blouse piece, and again the price is 4500. This is black with red. This portion will come in the aanchal. This is the body portion and this is the blouse piece. It will come in the blouse piece. Price is again 4500. This is red one. This portion will come in the aanchal. This is aanchal portion. The body portion is like this. This is the body portion and this is the blouse piece. Price is 4500. আমি অনেক শাড়ি দেখালাম, ফর আ চেঞ্জ আমি আজকে কিছু কাঁথা দোপাট্টা দেখাচ্ছি। Dupattas are all 2.5 meters This is kantha dupatta, gun spray kora hoyeche, and the discounted price is 2000. You can see the length and width of the dupatta. This is the entire dupatta. The price is 2000. আপনারা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে আমাকে পাঠান কারণ দুপাট্টার নাম্বার নেই। This is another one, Rani with green. Dupatta number 3. This is blue and green combination. Number 4. This is with orange. The price is, all the dupattas are 2000. Entire thing is with kantha work. This is green with white. This is green with white. Price is 2000. And this is the last one, off-white with red. It is a very unique combination, off-white with red. The price is again 2000. 2000 is the discounted price. আপনারা এপিসোডটা পুরো দেখলেন, আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগলো। সিল্ক প্রিন্ট, রেশম চেক, মোডাল আজরাক আমি সবই দেখালাম, দোপাট্টা দেখালাম। আমার কাছে অনেক রেডি ব্লাউজেস অ্যান্ড কুর্তিজও আছে, সব তো দেখানো পসিবল নয়, আমি যেগুলো সম্ভব সেগুলো দেখালাম। আপনারা আসুন, এক্সিবিশনে আপনারা অনেকে এসছেন এবং দেখে গেছেন স্টকটা কী পরিমাণ থাকে, তো আপনাদের আরও সহযোগিতা আমি কামনা করব। প্লিজ কাম again and please subscribe if you like the program and share with your friends. My address, as you know, 75 Hindustan Park, Kolkata 29, phone number 9330866384.